How to buy Monkey, the wise monkey token on xt.com. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, open this token in CoinMarketCap. And after that, what you need to do is go and click on markets. As you can see, you will see the xt.com. Now click on pair here. You will be redirected to xt.com and make sure you log into your accounts. And from this page, we will buy this token. As you can see, you have to select the buy option, and under it, you have two options, the limit and market. I will explain one by one. For the limit, as you can see here, type how much you want to buy of Monkey. As you can see, so this total changes by how much you want to buy of that Monkey, as you can see. Now you will see here how much you will pay with USDT, and you will see here how much you will pay with fee by Monkey. Now after that, it's simple, just click on buy Monkey and you will buy it, just click on it. And because I don't have any funds on my account, I can't click here. You have another option, it's buy drag this to set how much you want to buy. After that, click on buy and you will buy it. In the market option, as you can see here, you will set how much you want to buy with USDT. As you can see, the fees, how much you will pay of that Monkey token. After that, you click on buy and you will buy this token. You have another option, is buy set and drag this to set how much you want to buy with your USDT that you have on your account. After that, just click on buy and you will buy the Monkey token. So this is how to buy the Monkey token on the xt.com. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.